short notice. We are on 9 subbies. Woo! And the ninth sub is from my friend here on YouTube. Gagawa pa lang siya ng YouTube channel, so sasabihin ko na lang in my next video if she has uploaded something. And yung mga sumubscribe sa akin, please subscribe to her also. Kasi siya yung best friend ko sa workshop. And yeah. So please subscribe to her. And thank you so much, Pat, for subscribing me. Buti nakita mo yung yung video yung aking channel kasi walang nakakakita nun. Joke lang. So yeah, thank you so much for subscribing. So please tularan niyo si Pat. Hindi nagdadalawang isip, i-subscribe niyo na agad ako, okay? Subscribe, turn on your notification, and thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video on 25 facts about me. Bye! Thank you so much, Pat!